Vocabulary Quiz 8.6. Some helpful hints: skip around, do the easy ones first, cross off answers as you go, listen to being read out loud, and start with the back page if you need to. So part 1 is matching. Directions: match the word to the definitions by writing the letter in the blanks. In the first half, we have sheepish, encompass, constrain, hypocrite, contemporary, mimic. A. To reach around, to surround. B. To imitate, copy, make fun of. C. Belonging to the same time period as oneself. D. A person who does the opposite of what he or she said. E. Embarrassed, shy. F. To force, to hold back. Matching part 2. Groundless, assailant, depict, manipulate, stamina, serene. G. To handle or use skillfully. H. The strength needed to keep going. I. Peaceful, calm. J. A person who attacks violently. K. Without any good reason or cause. L. To portray, sketch, draw. Part 2 is fill in the blank. Directions: fill in the blanks using the word bank below. The word endings might need to be changed to fit the sentence. In our word bank, we have groundless, encompass, serene, constrain, hypocrite, sheepish, mimic, stamina, depict, manipulate, assailant, contemporary. Number 1. Her paintings blank the beauty of the mountains exactly. 2. They built a bridge to blank the castle to keep out intruders. 3. My fears turned out to be blank when I turned on the light and the object was just a lamp. 4. I do not have the blank to finish a marathon in 30 minutes, but I will try my best. 5. The girl always looked calm and blank, unlike the other wild boys in the class. 6. The newspaper accused the politician of being a blank when he was caught in a lie. 7. The politician knows how to blank the audience. He can always persuade them to be on his side. 8. A parrot can blank a person's voice. 9. We used a child safety gate to blank the puppy in the room. 10. Can you describe the blank that you saw attacking the woman? 11. Blank art has become very popular. And 12. She gave me a blank grin and apologized after she ran into my desk.